Hello. So we thought to have a sign of the day, which is sign of the day, and and the sign of the day is what's the weather outside? Rainy. Yes, rainy. It's a rainy day. Spell. 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 Spell rainy. A-I-N. Good. What's today? What? Monday. Okay. Spell. See, you're too fast. Okay, yes. So Faith was spelling the word Monday, Monday, and she spelled it. And the sign for the day is rain because today it's raining. And as she spelled it, spell rain.